Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Looker Studio for real-time marketing analytics, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To activate Looker Studio for real-time marketing analytics, begin by logging into your Google account. Navigate to the Looker Studio homepage. Click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred data connector. For example, select Google Analytics for website analytics. Authorize the connection by signing into your Google Analytics account. Pick the appropriate account and property you want to analyze. Once you've selected the right view, click on Connect. Review the fields Looker Studio has imported from your data source. Click on Add to Report to include this data source in your report. Next, click on Create Report in the top right corner. Drag and drop various chart types onto your report canvas. Use metrics like sessions, users, and conversion rates to visualize your data. Customize your charts by adjusting colors, fonts, and styles. To enable real-time data, ensure your data source is set to refresh according to your needs. Navigate to the Resource menu and select Manage Added Data Sources. Edit your data source settings and enable the automatic refresh feature. Set your preferred refresh interval for timely updates. Continue to enhance your report by adding filters or controls. Consider applying date ranges or user segments to focus on specific data insights. Once satisfied with your setup, click Share to collaborate with others. You can invite team members to view or edit your report. To publish your report, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Your Looker Studio report is now live and ready for real-time marketing analysis. Regularly check back on your report to monitor your key performance indicators. Make adjustments as necessary to keep your insights relevant and impactful. This guide provides a solid foundation for activating Looker Studio for your marketing analytics needs. Feel free to explore more features within Looker Studio to maximize your data-driven decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.